Alright, what is up guys? And today we are playing Airplane 3. We're gonna be trying to beat it, both endings. So let's do this.
Bro, what the? Oh, hell no, bro. Bro, come on, bro. All right, you got lucky, bro. I'm not even gonna cap.
Bro fell
I got a
over.
new game plan. I think I'm gonna start.
Bro fell
pressing him 'cause he's
over.
little.
Bro
I think
fell
I'm
over.
Push him off the line like George Pickens, bro. You too little. Dang it, bro. That's my fault. Come on, let's run it back. Come on. Second down. That's all right. Come on, Gronk. I'm a grown man, bro. Let's go.
Welcome everyone. You're probably wondering why I gathered you guys here.
I swear to God, bro. Come on, bro. It's not my fault it was at my quarterback. I think he's cheating for him. Hey, aren't you his granddad? You can get he's literally your grandson. How you don't know? What do you think you're talking to, bro? What you trying to do? Come on, bro. All right, bro. Come on.
I'm the Roblox States Army General. You can call me General Poncho. From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. Or else you will be expelled from the team. Now, please take a seat. We're all on a chair. We're already on a chair. Yeah, about this dude. This dude, we're both cartoonies, so. It's like, I am admin. Spell I'm wrong. Well, let's get to the point. Arnold. This is our target. His name is Ronald. We have investigated, and all we know is he's a dangerous Robloxian. Farthest I went was up to this point, but then I figured I wasn't recording, so I started. So anyway, we're heading. This is about where I left. Oh my God! Ronald has kidnapped the captain of the airplane. Even the plane must be in danger. That is right. Luckily, the plane is still flying autopilot mode. Everyone is safe. Are you sure planes have autopilot though? Or maybe they do and I'm just dumb. The mission is to stop Ronald. We need to find that plane and get everyone out safely. We'll find Ronald's intentions and bring him to justice. But how will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. 10 steps ahead of you. Wondering why this is here. Look. Come in. Come in. Okay, bye, I guess. Oh, okay, never mind. It's coming. Come in. Come in. I don't want you to get locked out. Come in. Come in. Come in. That's not good at all. Oh wait, they're back. Okay. Oh, that person is no longer here. Goodbye. What's that? Oh. I just fell for it.
Not gonna lie, bro. Y'all making me want to do food again.
Over yours.
So today I got chicken sandwich.
Over yours.
No wonder why they rated it 1 star. I tried eating it with bro. I couldn't do it, but this sandwich was gonna give me diabetes. So y'all say y'all want more school food reviews, huh? So today they gave us donut sticks for breakfast. I've never tasted donut sticks.
There's 2 people that fall off the edge. First, let's get everyone set up.
But it was way too sweet. So
How'd you?
telling me that the only thing I eat at school is pizza. I don't really eat pizza like that, but I had to get it. Bro, look how big the pizza is.
How?
Bro, the lunch lady really be hooking us up. Bro, I had to add some ranch to it, you feel me? Bro, ranch and pizza is one of the best things in the
Oh,
world.
that's the person he said it was
I
that.
don't go to no private school, bro. Y'all school just got y'all eating jail
I
food.
don't know.
But check out what I got for lunch, bro. I got some spicy chicken with some bread. I had to put a little booty hole on that bread.
Looking good. I believe we are ready.
And then I had to
Now let's check the system.
Listen, bro. Alright, so this morning I had the toughest decision of my life. And that was to either get pancakes or waffles.
Oh,
I asked the nurse lady, she said get
what
pancakes.
does
So
it
I was like,
say?
man, look how the syrup is
Checking the plane.
just so easy.
What are you checking?
Bro, I might have added
Why is there parkour? I assume we have to do that. Oh, that sucks. Oh no!
We had no drinks. Bro, they gave us a slow cup of juice. And that was nasty. Alright, y'all, so my whole school knows about my TikTok, and I'm not gonna even lie, bro. It's low key kind of embarrassing. But anyway, so for lunch today, I had this fish on thing. I don't know what it's called. But I took a bite out of it, bro. It was really, really good. It ended up being some.
Bro, the admin died, I think.
So today for breakfast, I got me some French toast sticks.
The novels. Oh yeah, I knew we were going to do that.
Look at this.
So we need to connect novels to the correct color. So
Not gonna lie, before I ate
if
it,
I'm
bro,
gonna
I
get
was
the
kinda
red.
mad. But bro, the moment that I took a bite out of it, bro, it tasted amazing. Alright, y'all, so today for lunch, they gave me a cheeseburger with all the stuff on the side. So you know that, man, I had to start whipping it up, you feel me? I added a tomato, lettuce, onions, and I had to most definitely put some jalapenos on it. Jeez, bro, this looks better than a Krabby Patty. Alright, y'all, so today at my school, they gave all the seniors free McDonald's. They gave us these sausage and biscuits, so you know I had to add a little jelly to it, you feel me? Bro, when I took a bite out of this thing, bro, it made my mouth dry, and I ain't had no drink. Alright, y'all, so today for lunch, Dad gave us these pizza with jalapenos on it. Dang, they really be adding anything on pizza. But anyway, so I had to add a little ranch to it, you feel me? Bro, when I took a bite out of this thing, man, it was good as hell. Alright, so a lot of y'all been DMing me y'all school food, and I think it's about time that I finally rate them. Bro, look at this Zeus hamburger, bro. It's glued to his plate. Now look at this pizza.
If you die,
Bro, they really gave him an uncooked pizza for lunch.
you look like you
Now
suck.
look at this, bro.
By the way, you can walk across that. Hope you know.
My mouth is just watering.
I'm actually glad you could,
I
because
got me a
you didn't
burrito.
fall off.
The burrito just had chicken and cheese, so if I ate it by
Excellent.
itself,
All
it wouldn't
nozzles are
be that
connected.
good. So you know me, I had to unlock my inner Gordon Ramsay. I'm not gonna lie to you, but this burrito is the best thing I ever made. But I made a mess. Wednesday, I got me a spicy chicken sandwich. I got the chicken sandwich is my favorite thing on the menu. Bro, look at it. But Chick-fil-A ain't got nothing on this. Alright, y'all, so today I got me some mini waffles and some whipped cream.
Now
on
we
the
are
side.
ready.
And I also got some blueberries too. Bro, when I ate that
I almost
thing,
forgot.
bro.
That's Pilot Clark.
Alright, y'all, so today for lunch I got me some mozzarella.
He will be our pilot through this mission.
Just look at that. I'm not gonna lie, I probably feel like I'm flexing right now.
System is ready, General.
Look what this dude sent me, bro. What the fuck?
Please, don't touch pilot.
Alright, y'all, so let's work.
Starting the engine.
For breakfast and bro, this thing was huge. Bro, when I ate this thing, bro, it had
Engine's ready.
Alright, y'all, so today I got me a cinnamon roll for breakfast.
Opening back door.
Look at it.
Am I?
That cinnamon roll was so good that it had me moaning. Bro, look at my face.
Close door.
So y'all
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh wait, I think he's glitched. This is what he was doing when he was doing the gas, I think. Or he was doing the computer and now it's glitched, I think.
Just a month ago, I quit doing TikTok and they kept banning me. But anyway, so to celebrate, I got to 1 million into the roster. And they did not give a fuck, bro.
There for takeoff.
Alright, y'all, so today for lunch, I went to give me some
Good
pizza
luck.
and bro. Not school until you be making those type of pizzas and bro. I ain't never ever seen this a day in my life. Bro, when I took a bite of this thing, bro, my taste buds ascended to heaven. Look at my face. Bro, I don't know.
We are now flying in that plane direction. A banana.
Today for breakfast, I went to give me some cereal.
Even so, we still have a few hours till we get there. The admin died. Yeah.
Bro, but no cap, bro. When I ate this cereal, bro, the milk tasted like water. The label's not lying. This thing say 1% milk and 99% water, bro. It was so bad that I didn't even drink the milk after I got done with the cereal. I had to go away. So today I got a juicy glizzy from Sonic. And I also got a big burger, you feel me? Hey, y'all was gonna catch me lacking. I had to eat it sideways. No cap, I was eating kind of messy, but that's because the hot dog was breaking apart. Bro, when I tasted the McFlurry, bro, it brightened my day, bro. Look at the smile. So today I decided to get some pizza for lunch today, and bro, they put some barbecue chicken on some pizza. They would literally put anything on pizza. But you know what, bro, I ain't complaining. But before I ate it, I had to try these fries, bro.
It's poison.
They were
What? Haha. I'm just not funny. It's not funny, General. Flying. Anyways, we're gonna be flying for a few more hours. You might as well chill and take a nap. I'll wake you up when it's time. I assume, we're gonna go down. That's what happens to every single plane stuff, everything.
Turn off my TV.
Sounds like stuff's happening right now. Dude, time to wake up, everyone. Why? Because the plane's going down? It's nighttime. It looks like we're inside the storm. We need to be ready if we have to. General, we were struck by lightning. What did I say? What did I say? In every single plane story that happened. Does that mean we're not? No, because we always somehow stay in these stories. Okay, everyone chill. I will fix the motor, but I need everyone to cover me out there. Wait, out there? Storm is getting worse. I will fix the motor as quickly as I can. Fell. Oh, you good down there? Oh, he's down there. He's down there.
Which kingdom was Mario sent to?
Yeah.
Mario was sent to see the Mushroom Kingdom.
Bro's down there fixing the air.
Mario meet first with the Aroxia Mushroom Kingdom. A. Toad. What did Toad do to distract his father?
After what's down there, bud? The motor is fixed now? I don't really think he did anything to the motor.
Oh yeah.
Bro's down there.
Listen closely.
Bro is... What? What?
That was the voice of Toad.
Oh! What? You can't stop this thing! Open the trap door! Bird! Open the trap door! Oh my god! What the? What? Pilot, is everything okay? Where is the skeleton? Oh, I'm sorry, General. I don't know what you were talking about. The giant skeleton! Didn't see no skeleton. Never mind. Let's keep moving. General, we are finally here. Everyone pay close attention. Bro is and Bro is still fixing the engine.
Which costume was Mario wearing when he beat Donkey Kong by tap? Where is he? That's the right of
I think we have to the whole ride.
What does Bowser want from Princess Peach?
Okay. Anything to open the door? Will cheese open the door?
He wants to be
Is that
married.
what it is? Oh, a hammer. That one? Oh,
Mario or Luigi?
that one's not gonna work. Hammer, that won't work.
Mario will work.
Here. Open your...
Listen closely.
Oh my god. How did you get
The answer
here?
is Donkey Kong.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What type of vehicle was Princess Peach driving?
There was no time to go after them. We need to save everyone on the
A.
plane
A
first.
motorcycle. Who did not race
Hi
on
everyone. What I remember? I think I played this before, but I don't remember much about it. I don't remember the person that we're doing.
Luigi?
Oh my god, there's baby. Oof.
Who did Princess Peach save after part of the
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I inform you all the news are now safe in the
Safe to
aircraft.
see. Totally.
Great. There is no one left. Captain. Open
She had
If you like,
keys.
there's no bathroom on this plane. Bro is still fixing the engine.
Is the correct one.
Bro thinks
The correct princess is at
still
sea. Press the Luigi calling in the lobby.
I will do it.
Mario.
Treasure Minecraft Aurora.
You've got the superstar.
Ronald, open the door.
8,000.
We can work this out.
Correct answer is C. Pokemon.
How did you get here?
Which character is this?
Ronald, let the captain go.
The answer is
You
Toad.
don't understand anything. You are ruining my plan. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say.
The answer is no. It's almost out.
What is
But
wrong,
by
Ronald?
I have wrong.
It's over, Ronald. You're going to jail for doing
That
this.
was real.
It's too late for that.
The answer is A.
Ooh.
At the very end of the credits, what did you see?
General, the captain moon is burning.
You saw me. Yoshi's egg.
There's no time. The plane is about to explode.
Which is the real Mario?
What? Take this parachute.
The answer is A.
I mean,
Let me know in the comment section below.
That's-
And give me a thumbs up if you had
that's not how you wear a parachute, is it? That's not how you wear a parachute. Okay. We need to leave. We will not make it out alive. Oh dear God! We're gonna die. We're gonna leave. We're gonna make it out alive. If we don't leave, we're not gonna make it out alive. We need to get there. Jump. It's kind of hard to see when you go. Still here. Now my turn. Now I am flying to God knows where. Down there. What? Oh!
When I know how Sonic and Mario is kind of similar.
We're breaking 365 of the craziest
He did not get the
Our
parachute.
rules for 300
And yeah, that's totally how you use a parachute. Yeah. You put it next to you and it floats right next to you. And you just like watch the parachute be like, nope.
And the first
One
rule
die.
we're breaking is you can't sneak candy into the movie theater. We're going to be breaking every rule in the book as we try to sneak our candy
is
past
going
these
on?
insane checkpoints without being kicked out. The first theater we're sneaking candy into is protected by a vicious
I was about to say, oh my god, there's no floor. Wait, I'm going on. Yes! Okay, that's not funny.
Sir, I'm going to start with you.
Okay, all right, fine, yes, sir, okay.
Listen, Tyson, I have to stop this.
Why is there so many? What are you doing? Why is so much stuff? Was going to a whole movie, man. What do you mean it's not a movie?
Is it never gonna?
I say I'm with you on this one. I think this is
It's because he died, I think. He died, so it's never mind.
your eyes. You might have candy in his eyes. Good check.
General Poncho, we are glad everyone made it back. Not everyone. Lost a captain. And it's a shame we lost a captain. Ronald died of a bad person. At least he won't hold anyone else. to the plan. But don't you worry, my child. Oh! Oh my God, it's burning. You will have your revenge. Oh dear God, what is that thing? Airplane 3 victory. That looked like a bad ending to me. Okay. Everyone, I am going to see how much it's a private server.
This shirt is so sticky, there's no one around. Let's go.
It's like no one in this server. No one come in here. Yes. Okay. I'll cut to when I'm choosing what Ronald does. Okay. Here. One chance to try and get. Who wants to be step in front of the captain's door? I will do. So we're gonna see what happens if we do the other option. Alright. Interesting. Ronald, open the door! We can work this out. How did you get here? Ronald, what's the captain doing? Don't understand anything. You are ruining my plans. I deserve this. Listen to what I'm going to say. What is wrong? Tell us what made you do something. Ever since I was a kid, everyone made fun of me. Oh my God. When I had problems, there was no one there. You don't have to do this. We can be your friends. We can save you. Really? Do that for me? Yes. We will be your friends because you are a good person inside. I don't know if you think it's taking things too far. It's never too late. Let's get out of this one together. We'll become a good person. I'm not feeling well. Really, check myself. Oh my God! Ronald! Are you okay? No! General! The captain room is burning! There's no cabin. Plane is about to explode. Take this parachute. Okay.
Slightly disrespectful. Does he get fired now? pay him, so we can't technically fire him. For our next bout of the contestants, Skittles, and then myself, Rico T. Avalanche. What is that, your wrestling name? That is my legal name, sir. What does T stand for? Rico the Avalanche. Should have known. Wow, it's great. All right, step on up, Buttercup. You got it. Wow, with the rhyme.
I wanted the
Come on.
Alright.
Not gonna be much of a joust.
Hey, don't doubt Skittles.
Hey, that's a wrestler's fault.
I'm
You watch
ready.
yourself. Excuse me. You get back in line. Fine. Nice, boss. Way to assert your dominance. Rambo, you call it. The joust.
Come on.
Where do we find this guy? Then we're gonna knock your little Skittle-loving head off. Randall, we talked about this like 2 dots ago. 3, 2, 1, fight!
Where's General? Hello, where's General? Okay, maybe he's gonna be helpful. Thanks for saving my dad. Hey, Captain, you made it.
Field with dignity.
Don't call me Skittles, baby. Hey,
I did. Thanks for saving my life.
All right, the last match between muscular contestant
Where's
Arrow
General
Twin
Poncho?
Skullcracker McGee. What a good clean match. No funny
That's the
business
question.
unless it's from you.
General Poncho gives you less favor for one that's
Strict rules will be done soon enough. Gentlemen, on your pedestal. Devin, yes.
So are
Master
you.
your moves. If you master this man, go for the glutes. Big bulky pinata.
Thank you for preserving the Jews.
All right, gentlemen, candy joust is paying.
I know General Poncho is the best. Whoever he is.
Cheaters flawless. Banana Remo to the
Poncho.
Get it, Randall. You have an open spine.
Doesn't look very bad.
Trigger the light.
They look like Grumpy.
Matt, hold it back. This is easy. My God, yeah. Good fabric. Keep your head away.
I don't think he ever changed his face. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.